Hey, happy Thursday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So we have a brand new certification that is just dropped as part of the certification program. The paid ad certification is here. So basically, you haven't seen this before. We have this awesome certification. You will get listed at directory.gohighlevel.com, and you will learn a lot of amazing things. And it's a very serious certification. It's a proctored final exam, so you can't cheat. We make sure that people who take these certifications very much know their stuff, and we're always adding more things to the certifications to make them better and to give you more skills and to give the people that you're working with a leg up inside High Level. So today is the paid ads course and certification. And so definitely go in and check it out when you get a chance. It'll be inside. If you already have certification, it'll just be inside for your certification portal and ready to take a look. Obviously, go to gohighlevel.com/certifications if you're interested in finding out more information on how to get certified. And as always, if you have any questions, do let us know. And you can see right here if you pause up what is included in that course, in that certification. Like I said, is a certification course. And when you get a chance, obviously jump in there and check it out. So on that note, I hope you have an amazing Thursday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.